There's a woodpecker. He's on the other side of the suet I bought today. I got this large container of suet. And Walmart. But he's on the other side for some reason, and he hasn't come on this side where he can eat it. Oh, maybe he'll finally get around. He's looking. Well, he hasn't decided how to get there. Huh. Maybe he'll eventually figure it out. He's found it. He can end it from the top. Yeah, okay, very good. This is the largest suet thing I ever got before. First time I saw one like this size. This is good, because the little ones I had hanging, they get knocked down by, I don't know whether the deer do it, the squirrels, or what. But this one looks pretty sturdy, and I got hanging from a little higher. Anyway, this is Saturday afternoon. Yeah, I believe it's the 19th day of October.